So what I love about Stephanie is that she creates a space that is so comfortable and so safe, and all the women that came today feel really comfortable sharing and opening their hearts. And there's a way that Stephanie has to word things and to guide us through that is unique. I've never had an experience like that with anyone. And I can see that there's a lot of depth that she can take us to different stages, and I'm looking forward to studying with her some more. She's really amazing. There really were things to take away. There's a lot to integrate into my life, and I love that I actually have exercises that I can do at home to actually help not just integrate what I did today, but also help me grow even without her holding my hand. I had a channeling session with Stephanie, and she was so amazingly right on, and it actually helped me to shift my life and make me just enjoy and feel less stress about a situation in a way that there's nothing else that could have done it.